Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madhu Jain, practicing psychotherapist at Mumbai and founder of Learning Pitara. Learning Pitara is an institute that focuses on behavioral and IQ development in children through psychosomatic and cognitive approach. This current COVID-19 crisis is creating unprecedented challenges for all of us. I understand that parents are going through tough times to handle children with pent-up energy which can't be burned off at school these days. At Learning Pitara, we are initiating an online channel for behavioral guidelines, which will help parents navigate through these difficult times and maintain a positive environment within families. So today we will talk about how not to overparent in this lockdown phase. Mark me, not to overparent. The lockdown has defined parent-child relationship in new ways. We always wanted to spend more time with the children. So initially things were happy on both sides. Parents wanted children, children wanted parents. But as office work and homeschooling pressure increased, things getting rough at times. And mantra for that are 1. Keep your cool because they are at home full time. We as parents get to see them a lot and unknowingly start judging each of their actions. Not right. Out of conclusion, at times, we parent tend to nag, means repeatedly reminding same thing but in a negative way and negative words. This is overparenting. Don't nag. Nagging harms the parent-child relationship. Nagging is a way of finding faults and it tends to wear people down instead of building them up. When mom-dads do it excessively, their children feel defeated. Yes, children feel defeated. Remember it as bonding times. I have been receiving multiple cases of parents being under stress. At times, this is happening again because of overparenting. Due to excess availability of kids at home, parents are every time teaching them a lesson, mostly morals. Bonding time does not mean to teach them a moral lesson each time they spend time with you. Bonding time can also be doing nothing together. Time is a very neutral commodity. How we use that time is the goal. It should include combination of education, entertainment, delegation of household tasks, and personal time for each of you. Very, very important. Sometimes when they don't listen to you, you might feel like yelling and screaming. It doesn't work. Keep your calm. You are the parent. You can show more tolerance in these situations. I understand. Harsh verbal discipline, it usually comes when children misbehave. But when parents react with harsh words, children react with worsening behavior and parents escalate their criticism. And often the cycle spins out of control. Lastly, create memories, not expectations. Instead of being a control maniac, you can create beautiful memories with your children. Not to forget photo shoots, sharing funny anecdotes of your school time or college time. It's okay. Let them laugh at you. And sing along times are my favorites. Don't bother how do you sing. Just sing along with your child. Before damning any action of your child, step back and see other things too. Try and see what is the reason. They might miss peers, might be feeling isolated, might be anxious being at home. If things are not going well between children and parents, it makes parents feel let down. Children end up being indecisive, which leads to lack of confidence and thus undermine their ability to complete tasks. So it becomes vital to break this negative cycle of thinking. Well, I hope we have decided today lockdown is a bonding time, time to create memories, not expectations, show more tolerance rather than too much parenting, keeping calm without nagging, and definitely no screaming. This is for today. See you soon. Stay lovingly indoors. For any assistance, you can get in touch with Learning Pitara Center in your city or directly to me at the head office in Mumbai. The contact details are provided here. Thank you.